Right, so for math today, it is one of my least favorite things to teach, but of course, sometimes the things that you like the least are the ones that you always see, right? These are always on quizzes, standardized testing. If you like to cook or bake, you'll see these kinds of things when you go to the store and you buy items. So this is units of capacity. And what that means is in the United States, we have a way that we measure stuff. So we have things such as a cup, right? You go and you drink a cup. You should have about 8 cups of water each day to stay hydrated. We've got here quarts. Quarts, I don't know if you can see. Quarts, fluid ounces, and liters. So this is how we measure stuff that we drink, liquids. We've got a gallon here. And then we've got a 1 pint, and it's also in fluid ounces and in milliliters, but we'll get to liters later. What else do I have? I've got this. If it were full, on one side it says cups, and the other side it says milliliters and ounces. So this one measures all kinds of things. So yes, units of capacity measures volume, how much an item can hold, and typically liquid. So in your book, you will find that it gives you ways to find this, right? And for me, it is confusing, so I tried to make it as easy as possible to understand. So your book will tell you to find units of capacity, you have to rename. So here you will have a cup, but I don't want to use cups. I want to figure out how many pints I need instead of cups. So if I don't have a way to measure, if I don't have a jar to hold pints, I need to find how many cups are going to hold this pint. That's what this lesson is about. So to find this, you need to take either 2 steps. One of them is to multiply larger units as smaller units. So if you have, for example, if you have a gallon and you want to find how many pints are in here, or actually let's do quarts. Does this one work? Okay, so you have a gallon. I have a gallon here, and I want to figure out how many gallons, how many quarts, how many of these would fit in there, right? That's basically what you want to do. So if you have a large capacity, you're going to have to multiply to find this smaller capacity. If you want to find a smaller capacity, such as, let's say, we'll do cups. A smaller capacity into a large one, you're going to have to divide. That's basically what that means.